After the success of Embassy Lake Terrace in Hebbal, Embassy Group is coming up with another project in the same location in Hebbal, North Bangalore. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of the same, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with developer. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is coming up in 10.5 acres of land parcel, which will be having 4 towers and all, with total 620 units. Additionally, there will be 58 units per acre. It shows that it's an ultra low density project. There will be 2 basement, ground plus 23 floors, having 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies, and each unit will be having maid's room. Now about the location part. So the project is located in the prime location of North Bangalore in Hebbal, near to Manipal Hospital in North Bangalore. So you can connect easily. Bellary Road is 550 meters away. ST Mall is 700 meters away from the project. And even you can connect to Hebbal station is 2.5 kilometers from the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities with clubhouse of 32,000 square feet, having ground plus 2 level. Swimming pool, kids play area, indoor and outdoor game facility, multi-purpose court and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies in different variants. So your 3 BHK plus maid's room is 2050 square feet to 2100 square feet. 3 BHK plus study plus maid's room is 2400 to 2450 square feet. 4 BHK plus maid's room is 2950 to 3000 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and project is in pre-launch stage, so our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI by submitting bankable EOI of 10 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was a project teaser of upcoming project by Embassy Group located in Hebbal, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.